Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPhone's iOS and making a quick backup so changes are reversible. Once done, open Settings and go straight to Wallpaper. This is where Apple groups lock and home screen images. Tap Choose a new wallpaper, and you'll see dynamic, stills, and live options. Pick the type that fits your aesthetic. Make sure Photos Access is enabled if you'll use a saved image. This early setup prevents permission issues and keeps your layout intact as you proceed. You now pick the exact image and fine-tune framing because composition matters on small screens. Select an image, then pinch to crop or drag to reposition. Use perspective zoom to add parallax motion, but turn it off for static clarity or battery savings. For live photos, press Preview to confirm animation behavior. Once satisfied, tap Set and choose whether that wallpaper applies to your lock screen, home screen, or both. This choice affects widgets and contrast, so pick what improves readability and visual balance. Finish by inspecting both screens to ensure icons, widgets, and text remain legible. If the wallpaper fails to apply, restart the iPhone and try again. Sometimes temporary system glitches or low storage block changes. Make sure Reduce Motion is off in Accessibility if live photos won't animate, because that setting disables motion effects. If brightness or contrast looks wrong, toggle Perspective Zoom or pick a different crop. These adjustments resolve most visibility problems without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.